Fucking hell. How's it now? Where's the genius talking from yesterday? Come back here. Come, man. Come show me your skills. Smart ass. Yeah, navigation. Navigation, my ass. Hey, man. What's up? Look how many true, now it's true, wow. So stupid. Look how many recompositions happen, oh my god. Look at this. I mean, what am I doing wrong? Look. Well, with navigation, the thing I did yesterday, I don't want to, I want to try just to do it with navigation. So this is the same navigate up. What is this set state on it? Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna do this. Let's see what that does. So when you're in the add book view model, no, when you add book screen, you find out that the book has been added successfully. What you do is, do I have a nav controller here? Let me get the nav controller here. Just to prove a point. Okay, so now I have a nav controller. So I'm gonna pass it here. Okay. Oh no, I just do it here, sorry. So nav controller.set state. So I want to set new book added. Okay, set it to true. And then I'll navigate up. Okay, sound good? What's wrong? No parameter nav controller, forget nav controller. Just navigate up, navigate back, without the true. Okay, so set the state. Destinations library, I don't want to use libraries for compose. The code is there, why the hell would I want to use a library to control how I do navigation? No, it needs to be solved this way. Nav controller set state. So I set the state and then I navigate up. Inside book screen, this is going to be recomposed. I'm going to grab the state. Anything wrong with that? Anything to say? Previous backstack entry, save state handle, get boolean. So this is where I set the state, add book. I go back outside, there is no state. even though I'm doing it here. Fine. Let's say something else. Let's do something else. Let's not navigate back. Let's navigate explicitly to books screen. Okay. Test. Is music too high? No. Fine. This is gonna infinite loop for some fucking reason. It was null, and then it became true. It's looping forever. Why? I don't know. What happens when I do this? What is happening when I do this? Book screen. So the navigate back for this guy, is it being called without my knowing? Or something? I'm just declaring it, and then when you press it, it triggers. It shouldn't be pressed otherwise. This starts as false. It's completely correct. Who sets it as true? This guy. False. State flow? Why is it a flow? That's not right. I was suspecting that it's the unit, but the unit means just once, no? It shouldn't loop. Plus, yeah, it shouldn't loop. Why does what you're saying? Why does it make sense? As a key, scroll when it updates, only to avoid looping. But this is the key. No, if you do this, it'll do the same. The issue is that it's a flow. It needs to be a one shot. Nope. What do you want to add? State that I get from nav. Okay. Oh, I wasn't even working here. I was just looking at the log actually. The log still loops forever. There's no reason for it to loop forever. I'm literally not doing anything that's causing this to compose forever. The log is outside. Compose, what a shitty thing, man, so far. This recomposition thing is happening more than I'm comfortable with. It's still looping. Why? It's not about the launched effect. This navigate up. No, not this one. Need to fix something with the UI of this fucking IDE. Books navigation, book screen, no. Book screen, no. Should I keep it? No. This is what we need. This is not what it is. Books navigation. Where's the fucking code I was at, man? Here. Something about this is causing the loop. If I navigate here, this is not used for now. It should be here and past here, like that. This is how it should be. And that's not gonna work. What if I do this? Go back to navigate up. Hi Anas. What am I building? An app. Okay. Okay. I had this before. How good is this? So you're setting the state, navigating up. Where does that get you? Gets you here. This should be recomposed. Right? Right? Right. So, give this guy the nav controller again. Come here. Do what that guy said. Let's see how. It's gonna work. Who gives this guy the nav controller? I was getting it here anyway. So, but I don't know if here is visited. See, that's the issue. This, you know what this is? This is the stuff you add in the routes. This is this stuff in the nav host. Does this stuff get visited when you navigate up or you navigate to a new screen? Does this get redrawn? Apparently yes. Something's fucking up with it. So what I'm gonna do is just put it here. But this stuff is called through this. So yes, it seems this is visited again. I don't know. Give this guy a nav controller. Okay. It's the same thing I'm doing. Yeah, it's the same app I was building yesterday. Things need time. Lots of time. See? It scrolls immediately and doesn't want to scroll. It doesn't stop. The more I scroll, bam, it goes back down. Fine, that's something, I guess. This doesn't make sense, man. Useless. Only my way works so far. Why? Let me think why. This should work. I set a state inside the nav controller and I grab it from somewhere else. Pop backstack then. Ah, pop the backstack. No. Okay. Write the launched effect outside LazyColumn. Okay. You do understand what's happening though, right? But how am I gonna do that? Ah, okay. Yeah, launched effects, man. Usually I place them outside. They're all outside of columns and stuff like that. I don't think it's gonna make any difference, but whatever. Because this guy is the issue. This guy's coming up as empty or null or whatever. It's not being set. Here's a debug. Look how many times it goes through. Look. Can you explain how many times? Look, this, this is permanently broken, by the way. I can never attach process. It always does this. I have to launch as debug mode, never attach. Walaikum salam. So that's one. Where's the debug? Two. Oh, just once. Okay, so outside is different. The column gets recomposed as many times as the goddamn items, man. It's like recycler. Stupid monkeys. Set state. Okay. Navigate up. Okay. Then come here. Oh, that's the second time. Is it true? Previous backstack entry. There is the previous backstack entry. No. Why? Because there's no previous backstack entry. You're at books screen. There's nothing previous than that. You just went one level deep and then now you're going back. And now when you're back, you're saying previous backstack entry. There's nothing back there. If previous means what I think it means, the one before. How do you evaluate? I've never tried this on such a thing. Evaluate expression. It's dumb, motherfucker. What a dumb IDE, man. Yeah, I think you need current. In this specific case. I think so. But why does it become true later? As I've... no, it never becomes true. Yeah, really? I need to click on evaluate. Wait, what? I'll check it. Yeah. Current is null. This is null. Okay. Now it's something. Okay. What does set state do? Wait a minute. Current backstack entry. Oh. And in there you get by saying previous backstack entry. How the hell does that work? Navigate to the book screen. Send a Boolean argument. Because it's looping forever. Watch. You think sending arguments with navigation is simple? You need to do all kinds of shit. Where is it? You need to do this shit, bro. Why would I lose the library? But he's using this shit anyway. He's using this stuff, is he not? He's just making a wrapper around it. If he can understand it, I can understand it. Probably not true, but let me think. Debug. Where is this stopped at? Current backstack is what? Nav graph, destination, route books. Destination, route books. Add a book. I'm getting this here. Look how many times it runs. Easy to use, you don't have to write boilerplate. Yeah, maybe check it out. I love how it's hitting the comments. Huh. Well, now it just navigated normally. And now I can do it because I changed the state flow to a shared flow. Can I remove this part of the screen? Will you see fine? Because I'm having it so that I could always have a border to know where you're looking. But this thing is getting in the way. So I do handle master navigation. This is how I do, yeah. This is how I do it. This is how I go to master paths like books. But then I want to set state here. Now we're back to the same error I had when I first began this. Why? Because nobody fucking knows why. This is how it is.
YouTube Premium.
You get it from backstack entry or previous. This is how you do nav arguments with this shit system. You have to do this shit. Or you do the other way. Where's the other way? Yeah, I'm already doing this. Current destination is nav backstack entry destination. I'm already doing this. Nav backstack entry. You give it here. So why don't I? How do I give it to, like if I'm going from, goddamn code is too big, man. Figure out how you're gonna see the screen, I don't care. Can't see shit. Navigate book detail. Hello, man. Handling master routes that you had from, no. How do I go from screen to screen while passing something? I do this, yes. So I do this, then navigate here. Yeah. And how do I grab them? Grab. Or get book ID from state. How do I do that? Book detail navigation. Wherever I'm going, I grab it. Yes, makes sense. That's how I do it. I'm doing exactly the same here. Let's do it again. Navigate back from add book. Remove this shit. Say true here. Fine, navigate, okay. Master dot books. Where do I call this? In add book screen. I call this here. Nav controller, navigate back from add book. There we go. This sets the state, and then where do you grab it? You grab it. You grab it here. It's the same as the other one. And you then pass it here. False. What's so complicated? I don't understand. New book added. There you go. You happy? What else you want? Where's all the other shit that we added for nothing? Let's debug it. There's 1, 2, and when you come here, there it is. And here you go. And here you go. What else do you want? Navigate up, then set state. How? Yeah, you used to do TDT refactor, now I learned from you a lot concept, now I moved to Netherlands. Oh, I'm also in Netherlands. Lol. So you're saying you moved to Netherlands because of me? What are you trying to say? You should pay me money then. I want to get this Osman guy, I'm gonna teach him a lesson. Put his picture right here. This is our enemy. You brought me to this. I don't even use TTD. Crazy people, man. Yep, it lags. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, time to be dumb. Previous, sorry. Let's keep it like that. Time to be fucking stupid, okay? I'm gonna be stupid. I don't know anything. Consider me stupid. Okay? Huh, I'm stupid. I don't want anything. Just navigate back. Humor me. Humor me. Yeah, thank you. Many people do. I get that a lot. Okay, it's still crashing. Fine. Why? Why does it still crash? I'm just trying to navigate. Why does it crash if I navigate? Why? Let's act more stupid. Let's remove this. Just navigate back. Okay? Don't call this for me, please. Just do false, yeah? Still crashes, okay. So the issue is here. Why is the issue here? I'm navigating to this place. What do you want from me? Let's be more stupid, huh? Let's see. Also crashes. Okay. So there's something deeper happening. Something serious. This is gonna crash as well, of course. Even bigger crash. I like that. Navigate up, of course. Well, that works. Okay, let's play very stupid. Navigate up before setting state. Oh, no. Yeah. There's no such thing. Yeah. Perfect example. This guy has the exact same problem as I do. Now, you want to bet that there is no answer? Put true instead of unit. Hmm? You want to print the value? Okay. That's what I've been doing for the past... Where do you want to print it? Where do you want to see it? Here? Hmm. This is saving to current stack entry. Current stack. New book added false. Okay. Also false. Let's put this back here and see, because I don't understand how current backstack entry, you save something, you get it in the previous one. Because you navigated somewhere else, maybe. Ah. So now with current, it's true. Okay. But then why didn't you scroll? false, false, true. You did scroll. Wow, I'm a genius. Okay, so it's previous versus current. But all the other ones. Now I get it. I think I get it. See, because if you're, all the other examples are like this. So I come here, I add a book. No. I come here, add a snippet. So I take the book ID here. What I do is set state and navigate forward. So you get the state from the previous backstack entry. If you're going backward and you set the state before you moved in, no. I'm setting the state when I'm in screen B. Then I'm saying navigate up. So this one is currently in the backstack. It did scroll. It is scrolling. It did work. But now it works whenever you press on add book. So look, bam. So first time it doesn't do that. Now it does that. Yeah, it's not really working, but now it scrolls every time. Now the bug appears. Yeah, this is shit, man. This is so bad. Yeah, and recomposition not in the order that I would like. Recomposition when you least expect it. Something really terrible is happening. True, true. Okay. False, false. True, true, false, false. What the fuck? So every time you go back, oh yeah, sorry. I just need to fix one small thing. Yeah, this is the normal navigate up. See, I'm doing something like this here. Yeah, it should be fine. Why is it sometimes true, sometimes false? The fuck, man. So until it's set once, add book. Now it's true. Okay, nope. Your idea is wrong. Doesn't work. Easy. Done. Hey, digital brain. Hello. Mm-hmm. Easy as peasy. Lesson learned. Never listen to viewers. Unless you have a working demo that you can show. I challenge you to show me. Go write it and show me the GitHub repository so I can download, run it, and see for myself. And then I will believe you. I challenge you. If you now scroll up to change orientation, Scroll. Does what work? My app? No, it's not made for landscape. Oh yeah, of course. Why would the orientation have anything to do with it? What the fuck? Bro? It's scrolling forever down there. Oh, that I haven't addressed. Wait. So they're always going to be, the count I had is always going to be one off from the actual number. That's always going to happen. So I need a flag that says, if you did it once, that's it. Yeah. But why is it, this doesn't sit here. This is here. Okay, so some of your advice, your collective advices have helped. Let's see now. My life is hell. My life is hell. It's a living hell every day. That's my life. Yeah. Don't you smoke? My pack is finished. Well, I roll my own cigarettes. So that's okay, that's one. Did it scroll as I, oh god, it scrolled as I pressed. Okay, fuck you. What? Version 2, guys. Now you scroll to the bottom. Of course it will. No! Baby brain, guys. Sorry. Okay. So when you have a baby, you become dumber. Won't work for a second book. See you tomorrow, man. Thanks for the help. Yeah, I'll try all of your amazing suggestions. Simply set book's value size as key. Okay. Some boolean. Yeah, okay. Forget the scrolling. This. Do I remove this line? Okay. Now it starts off by scrolling. So think about that. Smoke a cigarette. So you need another flag. Also you need to handle the deletion. So write it out for me. What do you suggest with the flag? Show me what you're suggesting. Write the pseudocode, Mr. Polish name. Can't pronounce your name. Write it for me, will you? You know, this is all not going to be needed because these users who are going to use it, none of them can create more than 5 books. So it's not going to be scrolling anywhere. Unless they pay. Yeah, hopefully someone pays. But then I'd have to implement billing. So you can imagine the horrors that are coming. You know, if I focus alone outside the stream, I could probably do this like much quicker. Fuck it. This is more fun. Because if I focus, I'll go ask ChatGPT until it's dead, and eventually I get the answer. I'll ask it like 15 times. Different wording every time. Yeah, I am funny guy. I need to go to the bathroom actually. So I'll be right back. Let's mute this so you don't hear me pee. Where are you? Yeah, honestly, I can't let this go. I wanna see, because it's probably gonna show up later in some other project. If I do collect state, does this remember the size? Does this make any sense? This is gonna fire immediately, right? Me, yeah. Okay. Okay, it's fired once. Thanks. Oh, you're also doing books count remember? Okay, that's what I did now. You go back, it fires again once only. Uncomment this. The hell? Doesn't want to go back now?
YouTube.
What? No, it's not a burger. What happened? See, the issue was remember. Where the hell am I? Yeah, the issue was remember. Because this doesn't imply remember. This is a state. The size is the issue. But why isn't it navigating back? What you wrote is what I wrote before you wrote it. Sorry. Johnny Sins. You don't know how much that means to me. In all the wrong ways. That's not what you wrote. What you wrote is book's value size, which you remembered. No, book's value size is the actual. Okay. You're just starting Android development, currently studying CS. Can you recommend any resources for learning official Google ones? No. Learn from the official ones. So you wrote, No, the GitHub app was just to show you that it was just a challenge to see how fast I could do it. So I'm not gonna do the GitHub app. Who cares? I have my own app. Books count. Size of the books. Great. Launch effect, books value size. Then, books value size, books count. Okay. Make a series about cracking code interview with Fang. I don't know how to do that. To make a video about it. I don't know how to crack, otherwise I would have been in Fang. It didn't work, bro. Wrong scroll. Okay. Books count is also somewhere in the 30s. And the other one is the 30s. It's the same. It's not an issue. It's not even hitting the breakpoints. Oh, it wasn't debugging. Not even hitting the breakpoints. Since you're trying everything. I'm editing it in a correct way. Yeah, I know. I am. I am mean, not you. Don't confuse it. Why is this a flow? Oh man. How am I editing the thing? Here. This is how. Normal. My channel has great content, Odai. Thank you. Always good to see how Android devs handle some stuff. Yeah, come see how I'm handling. Like shit. What? You discover something? Because you're chasing the whole list, not the size. What do you mean? Yeah, of course. Well? Okay. So you're saying if the size didn't change, it arrives as a new list and the size is, as far as Jetpack Compose goes, that's the size that's always been. So it needs, but the books has changed. Okay. Okay. Like this. This is how. Nope. Why no? What if I do this? What if I do that? I know Y count is being reassigned. Launch it, it's not even going in there. The debug, the breakpoint isn't being hit. Is it because I did this? Size is 69. Size is 0. Wow. $70. Yeah, I silenced the breakpoints. My mistake. Count is? What is count? Why can't I see count? It should be 69. What the hell is this debugger, man? Unbelievable. Ah. Next? What next? 69. It is. It is 69. Oh, it's scrolling. Yeah, you see it's scrolling. You just can't see it. The optical illusion. Yeah, it should be after the if. You're right. But this is the stuff I wrote, by the way. We changed your stuff. So this does an extra query. So let me go back to what you wrote. No, I added like an extra query. This count books. And then I remembered that. So books is 71. Books count is 0. Book size begins. See, it runs the first time. There's an error as well. Box count is 0. How? Box count is right here. It's the remember of this guy's size. So if books is here, the count should be here. This runs, and you get here, books is 72, and this is 0. How is it 0? So let me go back to what I wrote. How is it 0? It's taking the initial state, isn't it? Yes, it is. So here is where you have to count. Upon the books changing or something, because these are being run. This gets initialized as empty. This comes here. Fuck this, forget it. This comes here, says, okay, remember the size of books, okay? And what is books right now? It's an empty list. The view model starts, it collects the books, comes here, blah, blah, blah. Now it sets them. And now books gets updated. But too late, this is already 0. So you come here, Did this just scroll? Yeah, it did for some reason. So now you come here, you wipe this stuff. Okay, time out this user. Time out. No one is allowed to know more than me. You know what that means? Okay. Let's run this back. Okay, so I figured out why, but the solution is to wait then. But now it's scrolling immediately, man. So you need this. Ah, so you can have a flag now or what? We added a delay before the scroll, that's why. Okay, same issue as yours. It's the same. There is no difference. All right. I believe now. Okay. So remove the delay. It doesn't do it. Okay. Get this guy, put it here. So there's a slight delay until this updates the books, but too late because this guy got the initial empty state. Okay, fine, fine. But that doesn't make sense because you're remembering the same value. They're both 73. So the first time around, it's going to be 0. It's always going to be bigger. Okay. Done. That's how a senior behaves. Reverse the fucking list. I ain't got time for this. I want to make money from this app, not become a fucking architect. I still haven't implemented billing, so I'm not gonna waste any more time on this. Reverse the list. That's it. Give that man a moderator. Learn something. Fuck learning something, bro. I'm a senior. And the solution isn't correct anyway, because you still have to do a flag, and the flag is going to be reset, and we're back to where we were an hour ago. So show us this working in a GitHub example. I'll go on stream and I'll tell you you're the smartest guy I know, and I will tell everybody to star your repository. Show me a working example. I don't believe it's going to work like this. But if you can show me, I wish. I'll implement it tonight. Restated with the value the flag you're gonna have, whether it ran for the first time or not. Reset. I mean, you can remember it, but look where we were just a second ago. Yeah. Hey, Oleg. Fucking fine, man. Asshole. Okay, man. Okay. So where were we? Here, right? Right? Okay. 74.0. It runs for the first time. Great. Huh. What is this? What do you want to call it? Is first time? Yeah, but the should scroll meaningfully, it's dependent on whether it's the first time or not. So it's first time, it should be more indicative of what's happening. Because it's only going to happen the first time. Yeah. Here. No, here. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. What the hell? Yeah. After it was triggered for the first time. Yes. Sure. So now it's false. No. So it's not going in the first time. Now it's false. Not going in either. Because it's getting reset. Even though it's a remember. Its value is true. Now it's false. No. I'm still navigate up. This is what I'm doing. Navigate back. Nav controller, navigate up. What do you want to do other than that? That's how you go back. That's all I'm doing. True. So it comes 41 is true. Yes. 43 is still true. 54 becomes true also. And then 41 again, it's false. Yes. Now, go here. It's false, false, still. Go back. True, false. So true, and suddenly, this shit is, this shit right here. First time, remember savable. Savable is for strict screen orientation. But okay. Shit's heavy. What heavy? What's even happening? True. Okay. True. All of it is true. Because it never happened, right? True. Great. But I moved this inside here as well, so. Also true. Because it never becomes false. Okay. Where's the value? Log cat is paused. Why? True. False. Oh, now it scrolls just by going back. I want to see if it's about savable or not. It is. What the fuck is remember savable then? If remember doesn't remember. Who recreated? I didn't recreate anything. I just navigated back. I didn't recreate shit. Verge. Okay. Okay, I know what you mean. Okay, so it's like a class member. Remember is for like a class member, but the whole class gets reinitialized if you come back. So while you're working with it, remember. But if you want to work with it across other classes, it's remember savable. Kind of. Okay. So what do you want to put remember savable as well? Yeah, that needs to stay there, of course, then, if it's like that. If this is how we want to do it. Hey, welcome back, Osama. Okay. Well, I have to say, this is pretty enlightening. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know that shit. This motherfucker, man. I didn't know remember doesn't remember in that way. So I don't need to count and do anything, you just do this. That is the true compose way. See that, Osman? This is how you help. By giving the right answer. Not just confusing me. Where is he? Look at me. You looking? That's very nice, man. Did you notice that? Did you see what happened? That's a huge pitfall, man. I bet you everybody's encountering this shit. It's so intuitive and yet not. Yeah, this guy's worth learning how to spell his name.
Włodek.
What?
Włodek.
Włodek. All right. So where on the spectrum are you?
Włodek. Włodek.
Waldek.
Waldek, but the L is in the beginning.
Volodek.
Voledek?
Waldek.
Waldek.
Włodek.
I'll go with Waldek. All right. Well, thank you, Waldek. You created a meme? Yeah, let's see it. Where is it? Oh my god. Polish version of Vladimir. Ah, see, I knew you were Polish. Well, thanks a lot, man. That's really eye-opening. Pronouncenames.com.
Włodzimierz.
What? Yeah. Włodzimierz.
Włodzimierz.
Włodzimierz. All right, I could do that. Włodzimierz. Włodzimierz. Of course, great. I love acting. I can imitate any sound, bro. Basically, Polish version. What on the link? What link? You can't send link in the chat. Scum. It's gonna block it or do something like that. Cool. That's so cool. Yeah. I'm just gonna enjoy this feature now. Yeah. Yeah. Let's remove the delay and see what happens. Now you get like adventures. Oh, you're also saying. Yeah, but where's the link? I can't see any links come. Copy pasta. CR in my company? Yeah, I'm gonna add delay, man. We're above, man. I don't see any link. I told you, YouTube blocks this stuff. You can't send links in the chat. Let me see if I can fix this issue. YouTube chat, send links. And then set the state as key and launch the effect. Yeah, I'll check that. Flags it as spam, you can't. But come here, just join the Discord. And send it there. Yeah, thanks, Sandeep. Scroll state list. Scroll state. Mentorship. Yeah, if you pay me. Snapshot state list. The hell is that? Okay. How the hell do I understand what it does? Where do I even start? How much money? How much money do you need, Volgic? If we want to split it between me and you to teach this guy. I don't know, $40 per hour? Volgic. Remember mutable state list. Oh, mutable state list? I've never heard of that. Oh, I already have state list, man. Oh, list state. Man, what is going on with my life? List state is mutable state list of book. Yeah, once and then we can have launch effect be triggered on books change. Oh, the meme when you don't want the LazyColumn scroll again. Because he says first time. That is a clever. It's a clever meme, man. Lol. First time. Because he says that already in the film. You're smart. Yeah. And this goes away then? No, this is something different. Now what does that do? Snapshot list. Oh. List state is mutable state list of book. Items of list state. What? Mutable state list of book. And then this then? Okay. Then this is not where you need it. Mutable state list. Ah, it's a stateful list. Stateful. Okay, a list with state. Okay. Then this is where you add it here. It should be books. Collect as state. It should be like this then. If it's true. This is how it should be. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I need to read about it. This delay is gone though. What am I building today? The same thing I was building yesterday. This is my own application. Yeah, it needs to have this thing you're talking about, otherwise it's not gonna like... I'm tired now. I've been like 2 point something hours. Oh. But I'm happy with the result. I'm glad I pushed through. A tech stack, oh, I'd only do Android. But I forced them to do Compose. There's some stuff that I still maintain that are just XML, RX, Java. There's a lot of Java. There's a lot of audio code. There's a lot of C++. But I don't touch that stuff. But I still have to maintain it, kind of. I found a huge crash in their code at some point. It was in the C++ code. But I'm in no way writing C++ day to day. Now we have a big project coming up. It's all going to be composed, so I'm sure that this is going to come up. You know? But I just do Android basically. Yeah. What do you do? How long have you been working with wherever you're working? Where are you working at? Are you a lead or something? I want to smoke, but I'll keep answering. I want to know more about what you're doing. Ah, you are a lead. Yeah, it shows. Fintech. Damn, that's like heavy on tests and shit and security. Yeah. Maybe someday I'll get there. But I like a little less pressure. My company's more laid back. So I'm not exactly a lead, but I'm the guy who knows the most Android. So there's this other guy who does Android as well, but it's not his main thing. So this guy can do anything. He wrote the C++ shit, he wrote the, I don't know what else. You give him anything, he does it. But the quality is not amazing. So I was there to like do it proper, supposedly. So yeah, the previous company I was not the guy. There was another guy. And we don't do any testing either. But tomorrow actually I'm introducing to them fucking code review. Like proper code review with branches and shit. Nobody pushes to develop immediately. You know, all that stuff. It wasn't there. Man, it's cold. But they're making money, man. They're making money. They make a lot of money. And the product just works. The code is shit, but it's working. And they're making money. So this is what fucking excited me. Like, to redo my own app again and just add purchases. And people buy that shit. They're buying everything. The money is there. You know? So I'm gonna get that money. I just need to do the Firebase limits on how many books you can create, and add some profile or some shit, and add the billing, and that's it. And I'm gonna stream it all of it. Every day I think I'm working on it. Been like this. I've spent like 70 or 75 hours on this. %90 coverage. Jeez. Yeah, I know. See, I don't like these big corps. I gravitate towards startups so that I can move quickly and not have to worry about this stuff. You know? On my own time, I'd like to, you know, get this down. Because I never had a mentor, honestly. It's always been just me. So I have like 10 years of experience. I never really figured out how to learn properly. It's always been like, nah, I don't want to knock myself, you know. I'm fine. But it's not been like structured. I don't, you know what I mean. I'm a mid in the place of a senior, if you want to call it that. Yeah, I think I'm a mid. Yeah, I never did freelancing. I was just handed the first app, do it all, just straight out of college. And I had to do it. And I did it in a way that it works, but it wasn't structured. And so I kept that method everywhere. As long as it works, amazing. But let me show you the rest of it. Yeah, in a corporation, well, I got fired from TicketSwap. I was getting that structure and stuff, but they had to lay off like 80 people. So, yeah, it's nice to have a mentor. The rest of the app, this is gonna be modular after. It's not now. This is the main thing here. The routes. So I have these slave routes, which are not the bottom routes. These are things you get into inside. So adding, you can take this or take another one, or like, let me show you the actual use case. Like this is a textbook that you have and you like it, you know, you want to take a picture, save it. So you like that. You do this, for example, you like this part, you save it, you like it, confirm, you give it a title, page number. There you go. So grokking algorithms now has one saved snippet. You can go inside, look at it. That's it. This is a problem I have with reading physical books, and I'd never seen a solution for it. So that's what I did. And there still isn't a solution for it. My first app was a degraded version of this one. It was a simpler version even, and it got like 30 users per month, per day. But then I took it off because the OCR was costly. Now OCR is for free. As you can see here, it translated, it extracted everything. This is from Machine Learning Kit by Google. So that's cool. This is another snippet. Yeah, that's what it does basically. Because as I'm reading and I'm finding interesting stuff, there's no way to save them. So this helps me do that. Yeah, this is the most complicated part. Paths. They have master navigation. That's it. I enjoy making it simple. Oh no, is this the most, no, this is not the most complicated part. This is. How the app bar is being set. So you come here, how this is being set, how this is being grabbed, how this is being grabbed. It's done like this. You pass the scaffold state. This I've not known how to solve yet. Depending on where you are, if it's a master route or not. You assign the title. You assign where it's going to go. What navigation icon is going to be. Get the floating action button depending on where you are. So it's a mixture of both. Scaffold state and either scaffold state or a when statement that just explicitly says what you need to have here. I'm not sure about this, but whatever. I made a video about this issue. Yeah, but that's it for today. Compose Destiny, yeah, let me check it out. Wow. Hey. Oh, KSP as well. Why didn't you tell me about it? He's been telling me all night. Yeah, okay, I'll check it out tomorrow. Philip Lackner made a video.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, these values individually and of routes. So now we don't need to do this anymore. Instead, we can to generate the necessary
Nice. That's pretty cool. You can pass the object as is. Nice. You can't pass an object now. Thanks a lot, everyone, for tuning in, for the help. Couldn't have done it without you. Good night, sirs. Have a good day at work tomorrow. Bye.